This.
Oh my god.
Yeah!
Dude, that is so
What?
Oh my god.
Look at the amber color.
Is it just gonna disappear?
I don't know.
That's so cool.
It's really bright, my eye.
It's coming this way.
My eye hurts.
It does look like it.
It does. Mason Gandhi.
I'm sorry.
Here it goes. Look at that.
I'll
We're
see
probably
it.
like, what is that? Wait, where's it going?
Where's it going?
You think it
Oh, it's
already left
angling
the
now.
It's
atmosphere?
coming this way, y'all. It's a low. It's supposed to stay
Oh
low.
my gosh, it's going right past the moon. That's gonna be cool.
Is it gonna let something go and then it's gonna like come back to Earth?
I don't know.
I sound like an idiot.
We could go out this way too, huh?
Rocket. I've never seen a rocket.
Only in Florida.
It's a shooting star, guys.
Look at that.
I didn't hear a boom though. You
It
zoomed
hits right
in on
now.
it, right?
Yeah.
Is it? Can you see it?
You
the
can't see the
trail.
rocket itself, but you can see the trail for sure.
It's so cool.
Just a big fireball.
Can you see?
Yeah.
It's gonna leave the atmosphere.
It's crazy. I thought it was coming straight this way. Now it's going straight up. That's a rocket.
It's fake.
It's fake.
Wow.
Where's it going? You think it left Earth?
Oh, one thing shut off.
It looks like a star. Guys, it literally
That
looks
was
like
sonic boom.
That was
Yeah.
a sonic boom.
No
That was
way.
the boom.
Is that what it left the atmosphere?
Yeah, I think so.
No way.
Right, still got it.
Whoa. Secondary ignition.
Bye bye.
What in the world?
That's gonna come
It like
back down.
flies right towards us.
It lands on Disney World.
Dude, that is crazy.
Wow. Now it just looks like a little.
Well, it kept
Speck.
going, and then that's the leftover there. This
Yeah.
the stuff to the right.
Holy
It's to the left.
shit.
I know. It looks like a speck.
Whoa, on the
This
left,
stuff is
what's it?
bizarre.
I think on the left it's coming back to atmosphere. It said that two of the rockets are like gonna come back.
That other thing is gone. It's like a blur out there now.
That's getting brighter,
What is
y'all.
that?
It's coming back.
Go down on the left. Go down to that. Because that's looking crazy now. Oh, that looks
Oh,
so
it's entering
bizarre.
This, that's. I bet
With your-
people who
with
don't
your
know what that
naked-
is are like.
Oh,
That you can see the motion.
Holy
You see
shit.
the motion?
Yo, look at this.
it's
Look at it on the camera.
it's gone.
What happened?
Where'd it go?
America!
Yeah.
Oh, I see it again. I see it again. I see it again.
Uh oh, this plane.
What's gonna happen?
Where'd those other things go? They were spiraling. down.
Yeah, what?
I have no idea.
Vaporized, I think.
Is the air safe to breathe now?
The plane seems to think so. It's going right underneath it.
Oh,
Imagine seeing that on a plane.
No.
Yeah.
Look
Holy
at the,
crap.
this is incredible. We have a rocket. We have a full moon to the right,
Fireworks.
almost full.
Bottom right.
Fire,
Bottom
yeah,
left.
bottom left. You're right. It's always the last
Wait.
part.
Wait, what?
And then the fireworks. I still see it. You see it, right?
Yeah, I've got it in frame still.
You see the smoke where it originally went up? It's
Yeah.
still over there.
Yeah.
That is insane.
That's just I think it's condensation, Witchy.
That
the
was
element?
probably the sonic boom.
No way.
What's that over there? Is that still it? Or no, it's
That's a plane, but there's still something that's
That
coming
dot.
back down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See it?
You see something coming back down?
Yeah, there's that dot that's still
The
there.
dot, I think, is still going.
Yeah, I think that one's.
Yeah, I think that's going into space. I think
don't
the
know
things that
what
are
it-
falling back down, I think they are not on fire anymore.
Or they could have just like disintegrated in space,
Yeah,
because sometimes they
could've
do
been.
that.
They said they had two RLS, return to landing center.
So
There's definitely a beam of light flashing on that one thing now, like it's like a beacon light.
Yeah, you can't take your eye off of it. You see it now. It's going right to that line of clouds.
Oh, that's the finale.
That was so cool.
That is
That's
so
unbelievable.
sick. Here, I can go back.
This was it's a finale. That's so pretty.
That is awesome.
We actually saw a rocket.
I lost
go
it in the
up.
clouds, right? Oh, that is crazy.
That is cool.
You got him.
That was so cool.
They just appeared.